Think about this. Somewhere in the world right now, someone is starting a tiny manufacturing unit in a small room, and within a year, they're supplying products to 3 countries. Because the real money is shifting toward modern manufacturing. And the best part? Most of these ideas don't need huge factories or massive investment. Today, we are sharing 51 manufacturing business ideas to start your own manufacturing business. Number 1. Smart Modular Desk Panels Factory. Produce SnapFit workspace panels for remote workers, co-working spaces, and studios seeking flexible desk setups. Number 2. Eco-Foam Packaging Block Production. Create biodegradable protective foam blocks for e-commerce brands, shifting away from harmful thermocol and plastic packaging. Number 3. NanoGrip Sports Sole Sheets Unit. Manufacture advanced anti-slip sole sheets used by shoe brands, designing lightweight, high-traction athletic footwear. Number 4. Foldable Outdoor Gear Frames Workshop. Produce aluminum and carbon fiber foldable frames for camping chairs, tables, and travel gear companies. Number 5. Compact Electric Heat Plate Maker. Make mini electric heat plates used in beauty tools, medical devices, and portable cooking gadgets worldwide. Number 6. Hybrid Bamboo Steel Furniture Parts Plant. Manufacture mixed material furniture components offering strength, low weight, and eco-aesthetic for global furniture brands. Number 7. Aromatech Oil Diffuser Machine Unit. Produce smart aroma diffusers with programmable scent output for hotels, spas, and home wellness brands. Number 8. Solar Tile Roofing Sheet Factory. Make lightweight solar integrated roofing tiles suitable for residential and small commercial properties. Number 9. Edible Coating Food Protection Unit. Create natural edible coatings that extend shelf life of fruits and vegetables for exporters. Number 10. Ultra-Durable Cable Organizer Strips. Manufacture flexible cable straps for electronics companies needing better wire management solutions. Number 11. Microfiber Vehicle Detailing Cloth Plant. Produce premium multi-layer microfiber cloths for car detailing studios and automotive brands. Number 12. Modular Hydroponic Net Pot Factory. Create stackable, drainage-optimized net pots used in indoor hydroponic farms. Number 13. Smart Refill Cartridge Manufacturing. Make reusable refill cartridges for home cleaning dispensers and eco-friendly brands. Number 14. Anti-shock Shipping Pod Production. Produce reusable protective pods for shipping electronics and fragile tools in global logistics. Number 15. Hyperlight Fitness Equipment Frames. Manufacture aluminum and carbon frames for portable workout equipment and home fitness brands. Number 16. Precision Drone Arm Component Unit. Make durable carbon fiber drone arms for consumer and industrial drone makers. Number 17. Foldable LED Panel Sheet Plant. Produce thin, bendable LED sheets used in advertising, signage, and interior decor. Number 18. Smart Pet Feeder Mechanism Maker. Manufacture internal mechanisms for automated pet feeding devices sold internationally. Number 19. Heat-resistant silicone bake sheet line. Create food-grade silicone baking mats for kitchenware brands globally. Number 20. Noise-absorb wall tile factory. Manufacture sound-absorbing interior wall tiles for studios, offices, and apartments. Number 21. Mini EV charger component production. Produce core internal components for portable EV chargers used worldwide. Number 22. Eco-concrete paver block unit. Make lightweight paver blocks using recycled materials for landscaping markets. Number 23. Shockproof Laptop Shell Factory. Manufacture protective laptop shells for device accessory companies. Number 24. Smart Ventilation Window Frame Maker. Produce window frames with built-in micro-vent systems for energy-efficient buildings. Number 25. Antimicrobial worktop sheet plant. Create anti-germ surface sheets for restaurants, hospitals, and commercial kitchens. Number 26. Digital whiteboard film roll production. Make writable, peelable films that turn any wall into a smart whiteboard. Number 27. Compact portable fan PCB unit. Manufacture custom PCB for mini portable fans trending worldwide. Number 28. Urban balcony grow box factory. Produce compact, self-watering planters for city apartments. Number 29. Aviation-grade luggage frame maker. Make ultra-strong luggage frames for premium suitcase brands. Number 30. Thermal control food delivery box unit. Manufacture insulated boxes for food delivery companies worldwide. Number 31. Foldable shoe storage frame production. Create collapsible shoe racks for small homes and dorm markets. Number 32. Modular acoustic booth panel plant. Produce soundproof booth panels used for gaming, streaming, and podcast setups. Number 33. Anti-fog lens cleaner pad unit. Make anti-fog pads used by eyewear and helmet companies. Number 34. High-density foam yoga block factory. Produce durable yoga blocks for fitness and wellness companies. Number 35. Smart temperature sensor case maker. Manufacture protective shells for temperature sensors used in cold chain logistics. Number 36. USB-C type fast charging cable unit. Create premium braided USB-C cables meeting international durability standards. Number 37. Collapsible pet crate frame plant. Produce lightweight metal frames for travel-friendly pet crates. Number 38. Pocket-size water filter device unit. Make microfiltration cartridges for portable water purifying bottles. Number 39. Aroma neutralizing room capsules factory. Manufacture scent neutralizing capsules for hotels and home brands. Number 40. Anti-slip construction grip pad maker. Produce floor grip pads for builders and contractors. Number 41. Solar-powered garden light components. Make internal components for solar garden lights sold internationally. Number 42. Nanoweave backpack fabric unit. Create tear-resistant backpack fabric for outdoor gear brands. Number 43. Temperature-safe meal prep container factory. Produce reusable meal prep containers for fitness and lifestyle brands. Number 44. Digital lock mechanism manufacturer. Make core lock mechanisms for smart home door locks. Number 45. Anti-shock phone grip panel maker. Produce ergonomic gripping panels for phone case brands. Number 46. BioCotton Baby Essentials plant. Manufacture organic cotton blankets, bibs, and wipes for newborn brands. Number 47. Smart Light Diffusion Film Unit. Create special films for LED manufacturers to diffuse harsh light. Number 48. Heavy-duty gear organizer tray factory. Produce trays used for tools, garages, and workstations worldwide. Number 49. Anti-heat roof coating material unit. Make reflective cooling coatings for hot climate buildings. Number 50. Universal gadget mount clip maker. Create adjustable mount clips for cars, desks, and travel. Number 51. Foldable mini wardrobe parts plant. Manufacture lightweight metal frames for portable foldable wardrobes. If you want even more ideas to start your small business, don't miss 101 Small Business Ideas to Start Your Small Business. It's packed with powerful ideas you can use immediately. Also, like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching this video.